Understanding compensation advice, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting topic that you might come across in professional settings or legal matters. We're talking about compensation advice. Understanding this phrase can be crucial, especially when dealing with situations related to work, legal rights, or personal injuries. Let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. Before we tackle the whole phrase, let's start with the first word, compensation. Compensation refers to something, usually money, given to someone as a recompense for loss, injury, or suffering. It's a way of making up for something that has caused inconvenience, harm, or distress. This term is widely used in the workplace and in legal contexts, where people seek compensation for their work or for damages they have suffered. Moving on to the second part of our phrase, advice. Advice is guidance or recommendations offered with regard to prudent future action. When someone gives you advice, they're sharing knowledge or an opinion on what they think you should do next. In many cases, advice can help you make decisions that are in your best interest, especially when you're not sure what steps to take. Now, let's combine the two to understand what compensation advice means. Compensation advice is guidance or recommendations related to seeking or offering compensation. This can involve a wide range of scenarios, such as legal advice on how to claim compensation for injuries or damages, workplace advice on understanding your rights to fair pay or benefits, financial advice on managing compensation received, for example, from an insurance claim or a legal settlement. Receiving competent compensation advice can be crucial in ensuring that you are adequately compensated for any loss or harm and that you understand the process involved in making a claim. Understanding and seeking compensation advice is important for several reasons. Protecting your rights. Knowing when and how you can claim compensation can protect you from being taken advantage of. Financial stability. Compensation can provide crucial financial support in times of need, such as after an accident or when facing unfair treatment at work. Making informed decisions. With the right advice, you can make decisions that are in your best interest, potentially saving time, money, and stress. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of compensation advice. Whether you're navigating the workplace, dealing with legal issues, or simply want to understand your rights, knowing about compensation advice can empower you to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Remember, learning English is not just about vocabulary. It's about understanding the context that gives life to every word and phrase. See you in the next video.